In this video, I'll guide you through how to check if someone has hacked your WhatsApp account. Step 1. Check linked devices. Open WhatsApp on your phone. After opening WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots at the top. From here, tap linked devices. You'll see all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Carefully check the list. If you see an unknown computer, phone, or browser that you don't recognize, tap on that device. Select Log Out. This will remove that device's access to your WhatsApp account. Before we go to the second step, if you love your country, then like the video and let me know in which country you're watching this video. Step 2. Check unexpected account activity. Open your chats in WhatsApp. Go through your chats and check if there's a conversation you didn't open but that has already been marked as read. Also check your profile photo, name, and status. If you receive an unexpected verification code or login notification from WhatsApp, take it seriously. Step 3. Check if your phone number was taken over. If WhatsApp tells you that your number is being registered on another phone, take action right away. Complete the verification process again using your phone number. Once you get your account back, check linked devices again. Step 4. Turn on two-step verification. Open Settings in WhatsApp. Tap Account. Under Account, select Two-Step Verification. Tap Turn On. Create a 6-digit PIN that nobody else knows. Enter the PIN again to confirm it. And if you see the option, add a recovery email address as well. If you have any issues related to WhatsApp, let me know. Thanks for watching.